The challenge many companies face in the e-signature workflow is real-time visibility into DocuSign transactions, leading to bottlenecks resulting in the loss of productivity and potential revenue. We are excited to announce a new enhancement called Recipient Connect, webhooks for inbound transactions, which allows recipients, organizations receiving envelopes, to receive real-time statuses, details, and documents for incoming DocuSign transactions. We will go through a common scenario to showcase the increased visibility into transactions across multiple signers and the ability to create custom dashboards to track progress. In this example, we have three main characters: Preston Stanfield, the customer who is filing an insurance claim for a recent car accident; Priya Kokar, an independent insurance agent for Tally Insurance who represents Preston; and Larry Lee, the claims manager at Tally who will sign off on the claim. We start off with Priya, who has received a request to submit a claim to Tally Insurance on behalf of her client, Preston Stanfield. Priya has saved a template for filing accident claims in her portal, which she selects and chooses the order of recipients to sign off. In this case, Preston, the customer, and Tally Insurance. Preston receives an email to a secure link that provides the form to sign, which he can easily open from his desktop or mobile device to execute and submit. Once the document has been opened, Preston can submit a signature, which will then pass the envelope along the queue to Larry Lee at Tally Insurance. The final signer in this flow is Larry Lee at Tally Insurance. Larry will receive an envelope requiring a signature to execute the claim, which we'll get to in a moment. With Recipient Connect, Tally Insurance has built their own envelope dashboard to show their organization how many envelopes are in their queue. Now let's take a look at the envelope dashboard they've developed. With Recipient Connect, customers can create custom dashboards within their own internal application to track their envelope's progress in near real time with recipients inside their organization. Now that Preston has signed the document, Larry Lee from Tally Insurance will be sent an envelope and his pending total will increase from 9 to 10. Using Recipient Connect, Tally Insurance now has greater visibility into what their organization is being sent. This allows them to quickly act upon a bottleneck of envelopes, like Larry Lee having 10 insurance claims that need to be signed. Going back into Larry's portal, we will sign the envelope and finalize his signature on the claim. A quick look back at the dashboard now shows Larry Lee's pending has decreased from 10 to 9. Recipient Connect's webhooks allow for real-time monitoring of the queue rather than constantly pulling the API, which can cause limitations and eat up resources. The configuration will be listed under the settings in the DocuSign portal. Under settings, we have a section called Integrations with Connect listed as an option. Here, we can set up the name of the Connect configuration and the link directing to the dashboard they have created. No longer will they need to manually check users' inbox for updates on envelopes. So, to recap, we showcase how 3 separate users from different organizations are able to complete an e-signature transaction. Priya was able to submit a claim on behalf of her client Preston to Tally Insurance, and with the increased visibility, help speed the process of reimbursing Preston. Recipient Connect allows companies an improved workflow with increased visibility and an overall better customer experience.